We'll discover how AI can enhance agile teams, from boosting communications and skills to automating tasks and enabling effective coaching. Real-world case scenarios or examples will be provided, and you will leave with a better grasp of AI potentials to elevate your productivity, collaboration, and agile team success. So intriguing, right? So Tomas, welcome to the stage.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Again, I'll try to be like person for the last year and come back with a new topic. And actually, I'm not alone on the stage. He's behind the presentation and all that. Let's say content that we have that I created. Okay, let's try to be very short because we have very short presentation, something like stand-up in Agile. But still, let's make some icebreaker. Anybody does not hear about AI? Okay, only one. Everybody just raise hands that has something here about AI. Okay, everybody almost. Anybody is there that has used AI for daily work? It's less hands. Anybody has tried to adopt AI to work on own data? Okay, only a couple hands. So let's try to start with presentation because the topic is hot. And the rumors, the talks, it's about a lot. But still, this is like, if you see, this is just a couple people just has tried to do something with that. And when I try to introduce myself, actually what I'm doing, I'm working with AI. I am lead of the company, Teltonika Telematics. I'm leading the data agility and AI adoption team in the company. So we have some expertise, and I would like to probably spend a half of the presentation in Q&A session, if you will be okay, just answering the questions, because the topic is broad, but the presentation is quite short, like I said. So let's start with the AI. This is some kind of storyline that I would like to provide with you, and just start with some agility cases and finish the some call to action, what you can do, what you can improve on the daily basis. Okay, it's not let's say, nothing new that Agile Manifesto, Agile values is about 30 years on the agenda of daily life, yeah? And core of the whole Agile is teamwork. When we are talking, when we are starting, when we are making some kind of better results, we are talking about collaboration, about transparency, about the values, about interaction of the persons, about the products, yeah? And, okay, do we struggle with Agile at the moment? Do we have any challenges with Agile? If we does not have these challenges, we do not participate in just conferences like this, yeah? We know that is the quite challenging topic to keep the teams working, to keep the process going, to ensure that the product, the features, the satisfaction, the value of the product is created, yeah? And we know that when we have started, yeah, with Agile in the 90s, it was the guys who was, let's say, starting IT business. Now we have even there 3-4 generations of IT. People that they are trying to collaborate, they're trying to understand each other. The domain of business has grown. The demand of the products, like Christine said, it's very much, it's very high, it's very complex. We are trying to solve the problems that are very huge. Yeah? I come back with my approach, we are working in a company that has 200 developers in IT developing products. We have 150 people in support, technical support, that are supporting the people that they are trying to adopt our products. Let's say, yeah, we have, let's say, 300 people. Now we are going to increase or double the sales team, and we are selling 200 products that we have 7,000 of features. How to manage it, how to provide the information, how to provide even the knowledge, how to make the teams collaborate, starting from product development, going to the production, going to technical support, to sales, etc., etc. Yeah, so we are struggling. We have the problem with communication, with the problem with the visibility, with the problem how to align the work between the teams. And yes, last year and beginning this year, this topic has raised, yeah. And everybody, okay, what is this? This is the guy there with some angel wings, or is the guy who kill everybody and nobody will work? We will lose the control of the lives of the world, etc., etc. Yeah? And actually, is anybody was watching the Meta or Facebook presentation for the last year? Yeah. So if you have watched, you will be probably much more believe that in the next year we will have such kind of team member in your Agile team, because everything will be, let's say, some mixed reality. Yeah, you never know it's really your teammate or it's some kind of bot. So yeah, probably do not be so much strict on that. Let's go back to the real case scenarios, what we are doing, what we can achieve. And yeah, it's lots of the, let's say, threats was raised. And what's that the risk? Yeah? And actually in our company, we are developing such kind of bots and assistants that are working with our own data. Yeah? And first thing that we are trying to avoid is do not too much trust on AI. Yeah? And first thing and first iteration in our product that we are developing for internal needs for the first, how to avoid that the bot is hallucinating. Yeah? First thing, not just to make something correct, but just to avoid how to do that the bot that you have created do not mislead you. So we are implementing such kind of procedures that we are trying to avoid and even control the answers of the bot. And then just after confirmation, you can provide it to the final customer, to the final usage of this result. What is also the risks? It's less human connection. We does not show anywhere that we are using AI because, yes, people would like work with people and we would like to keep it. Also, I could be biased. You always get results that you make it in. Yeah, it was the question. If you will go to the only AI-based, let's say, team coaching, what you will get? You will get basics. Because everything what AI will do, it's based on the previous created information, previous created data. Yeah? It could show something that is probably incorrect or find some dependencies or find some real, let's say, value in the beginning. But after everything, you will get only biased, some kind of results that will be not develop you. So the people should be involved. And actually, it's very pricey. We have started, we are investing, but this is also for the big companies. And if we will go to Q&A, for sure, there are the open tools, there is ChatGPT that could be used, but it's some kind of cherry picking for some basic things. Okay, what is the risk not using Agile? We also face this. So you will be not so much efficient on the basic work. Competition will kill you. Manual work, nobody would like to make anything manual at the moment. If something you could produce this, even this content I have made with some kind of support and with AI. And also, if it does not have AI tools, you will be not able to be on time on market. So let's go how we are powering Agile. We have 9, let's say, areas when we was introduced or tried to work with the Agile. Do not try to read everything. I just would like to show this like some circle that we are starting with the skills, with team matching, then we are going to some kind of knowledge sharing, agile coaching, mentoring, estimation, prediction, efficient allocation, scheduling, decision support, automation, testing, quality, etc. I would like probably to introduce a couple of them that we have some progress with that. So when we have started, what we can get better with those, let's say 500, 800 people that we are involving with AI tools, it's just simple knowledge sharing. You should be very much, let's say, fast adopting people with technical skills. We have those Y, Z, etc. I would like to do not go much, that would like to be very much into the process, into the business, but does not spend much time going to the technical details. Yeah? So we are trying to make this more viable, very fast, and what we are creating at the moment, and would like to, let's say, issue till the end of this year some kind of Wikibot. We have information that is in the text, and we could give answers through LLMs very fast and give them very much fast insights, starting from technical questions, ending with sales offers. Okay, what's next? It's automated code testing, quality testing, actually also the documentation that could be fed to the AI for the next usage. Yeah? Third thing, actually, also the third case is the transparency. Transparency of the processes, transparency of the teamwork, of team collaboration, about the, let's say, temperature, about the some kind of the demands of the teams, what they are changing, what is the temperature of the collaboration, of the emotional, let's say, state of the teams. Also, we can gather it even during the scanning of even the Jira comments, etc., etc., etc. So those are the use cases. We can come back with the questions. If you would like, I could comment each other after it. But just to summarize, for sure, there are possible issues with some kind of use of AI. Those are with security, job loss, ethics, reliability, and the agile mismatch. For sure, you should address with them. And actually, we are working as strong and very much with the data. If you are providing data, some data to AI, which should be for sure in confirmation with GDPR, with private data, with so this will be for sure for you will be the challenge. I know for this for sure. And actually, if you do not do something, you will go very much out of the stage, out of the market, because you will be not those who will get the insights at the right time. You will be not able to generate ideas, to connect each other, and actually this is the trend, and you will be in the trend for sure. Okay, what you should do, leftovers. If when Arne does not come with this, I will come back. Yeah? I will just educate the teams. There are the tools that could be used like cherry picking, that you can generate even for the, let's say, retrospectives, for gathering for ideas, for, let's say, user stories, for some kind of project planning, for steps, for insights. GPT, OpenAI could help for you. It's $20. It's not that much. But it's, like I said, it will be basic. If you would like to give context for your own, yeah, for GPT-4, you can give some context, some code. It will help to you, but then you could lose some data, probably some your knowledge, some your know-how from the company. Blend AI and human. For sure, problem, it will be not so, we will spend some time, it will be some days that your guide is like in Meta. You will come and you will don't know it's bot or real guy, because behind this avatar it could be anybody, yeah? But for sure, people for the technical knowledge, for knowledge base should be supported by AI, because to keep the complex things, basic things, everything in the head, our heads, it's not for that. Our heads is for the creativity. So keep people for creativity and AI for basic things, for documentation, for order, for data. Update AI regularly. So this is very much developing thing. Yeah, we are now in Teltonika starting to plan data center when we will build some capacities to make the LLMs work internally and on our own data center, even for the some specific measures for specific tasks, and to make it happen by own boost security for sure. No data that are stored directly on the servers could be provided at the moment to the AI. You should go for some data anonymization for some specific data storages that then only support those data to the AI and to the specific tools that we would use. And also keep open communication, because it could be like, this way that people will start to avoid or even go from the companies that are providing or making AI. AI should be the tool should help you, but not stop you. So those things I probably skip a bit too fast about the ethics, about the threats, but let's go to the Q&A, so I could probably answer the questions that you have from the practical perspective, that you have struggled, that you would like to ask, what you would like to develop, and any questions?
Yeah, I actually want to talk about AI agents.
Yes.
So you describe a role that the AI is supposed to do. So, for example, you give a task of be a developer,
yes.
be a tester. Where do you think the human is? Is he, the overwatcher of all is happening and only taking the role if something is not going the way he wants? Or he should interact with the agents?
Actually, you always start with some kind of interaction with the agent. Yeah. You should give to him the let's say the task, and actually you should give some kind. When you are making the task, you are making like the prompt, and in the prompt in this task you always write what you would like or expect as the result, because AI does not, let's say, have full context. It's like 5 years old child. Yeah, what is it? It could, if you show the finger, you'll say, this is this. But he does not know what you would like to have to result. So the first is the role. Next, what you would like to get as the result. And for sure, after it, we are making some kind of procedure when we are rating the result what he is given. Let's say it has 3 icons, like it's copy icon. It means that I have used it because it's relevant. It's thumbs up. Yeah, it means that I support it and it's a good result, and this bad result should be, let's say, reported with some kind of comment. So you always have this role, task, and feedback to AI. Then it could be, make this learn loop, and then each iteration you will get better and better result. That's it. Is correct? Okay.
One last question, or maybe people are hungry, lunchtime?
Yeah, right? I was trying to be fast.
One question.
Yeah.
Have you tried to measure or you know the numbers, how much your team productivity now increased when you start using the support of AI? And what is the end goal, basically? Or you still have to babysit and improve the process?
Yeah, actually, we are now developing the assistant, like I said, for the technical support. We have something like a range from the first to the fifth grade of the complexity of the issues. So for the first and the second grade of the issues, we have something like 80% of a rate that AI supports. Those first and second grade issues are about 40% of all the scale. So we believe that for the next year, we should hire about 50 new support engineers, but 20 of them, it will be AI. So it's let's say still production. It's still in MVP 1, but we see that if you put exact question from the technical support from the client, the LLM provides exact needed, let's say, results, so we can spend less time, just to make everything, find, compose, make it, put it to the system. It's from the 10 minutes to I don't know, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. So it's very much time saving, but it should be clear content. The 90% of time is that we are spending not with the AI tool. It's problem with the content that we are providing to AI tool. So the companies who are trying to make something on own data, main effort it will be not on AI side, it will be on the content side. Then it will have the results that I mentioned. Okay.
Thank you so much.